All right, guys, let's take a look at what comes in the box. As you guys can see, this is well packaged. All right, so opening the box up, it's very simple. Just have this little flap right here in the front. Just gonna pop that open like so. All right, so let's start with what I'm seeing in the box. So let me go ahead and show you guys as well how everything is packaged inside of the box. You guys can see that. So we have all of our different components right here. Now this comes with, as you guys can see, it comes with our starter manual. That's going to be helpful, but I'm going to try and walk you through some of the settings of this device as well. So it comes with that. It also comes with this really nice little travel pouch. So let me show you that. I'm just going to take this off the desk and show you guys these things one at a time. All right, so here is your travel bag, or your accessory bag if you want to call it that. It comes with these two nice handles that you see here for transport. You have what looks to be a really nice size pocket on this side for putting some of your tools in. And it has an additional pocket down here at the bottom, which you can also put other accessories inside of. This is designed for you to put the entire metal detector inside of this, and this folds up really nicely. So if you wanted to store your metal detector, you have this really nice little case that comes with it. That's going to be really handy. Okay, so we got our case. Now it also comes with this little tool, and I think this is going to be our little collapsible shovel. So this also comes in its own little case, as you guys can see here. And we can pull the little components out. There's nothing else inside. Let me check to be sure. Nope, there's nothing else inside there. So this is a little collapsible shovel. And this just it has a shovel and a pick. So you have both of those in one. And then this component right here is just going to connect to this like so. And now you have your tool, okay? So this tool, guys, is going to be excellent for digging up things, picking at things. This is not adjustable. This is the full length of it that you guys see right here. But what's cool about this is collapsible. So that means you can just fold it up and put it right back in the pouch that comes with it. So that's really nice as well. That comes with the kit. It comes with the 9-volt battery that you're going to need to operate this. So that's in your box. The handle that comes with it, as you guys can see here, this is adjustable. You do have to assemble this, so there is a little bit of assembly required in order to set everything up. I'll set this up completely and show you guys what it looks like completely set up, but I just wanted you to see, some of the components that come with it, right? So this is your arm support. So this is what you're going to rest onto the back of your arm. It does have a little Velcro strap on this as well. If you need a little bit of assistance to hold on to this, there you go. All right, so that comes in the kit. It comes with a set of budget earphones. Let's take a closer look at those. So you do get a set of earphones that you can listen for the beeps. This is going to plug in with just your standard 3.5 connector. It has a volume control right here in the headphone line for the cable, so that's really nice. All right, so your connector, your actual monitoring tool, or should we say our sensor, is 10 inches in diameter. This has an IP68 rating, so this is waterproof. This is just going to connect right here. Once I assemble everything, this will all make sense. And the other end of it is going to be the cable that's going to plug into the controller. So you have that. All right, guys, so here's the controller and all of the different buttons that you're going to be able to access, right? So you have your, backlight, you have your power button, you have your plug for your headphones. You also have your pinpoint, which is just basically going to turn it on and just set, whatever it is you're going to be controlling. You have your menu button here, which is going to allow you to cycle between the different modes. You have your lowering and, your minus and plus here for raising and lowering sensitivity, and your enter button. And then on the screen here, you guys are going to see there's a lot of different little indicators. I'll go over more of these once I have everything completely assembled. You're just going to remove this little bit of tape right here, and you're going to install your batteries. Now the batteries go in back here. Like I said, this is a 9-volt battery. It takes 2 of them, and it comes with 2 of the 9-volt batteries. They just clip in right here, and then you're going to be able to assemble everything, get it all put together, and that's pretty much it. So let me put this completely together, and then I'll show it to you guys right after this portion of the video. Let's go. All right, guys, I have it completely assembled now. Everything is powered on. Well, not technically, but let's power it on. All right, so it is now powered on. You guys hear the little beep. So I'm going to turn the volume down first. So I'm going to switch through the menu, and I'm going to go to volume. And I'm going to bring the volume all the way down so it won't be so loud while we're talking or while I'm demonstrating different things here. Now, what I used was the menu button right here to switch between the different modes. So the first one is going to be your scene mode. That's going to allow you to detect, in a specific area, what it is you're looking for. You have sensitivity here as well. We have our, this mode right here will allow you to eliminate any of the other metals that you may not be looking for. So you can basically just go through, let's see if we can get this backlight to come on. There we go. So if we wanted to eliminate some of these other metals up here, we could just kind of flip through here and pick metals that we didn't want, and you see it turns it off right there. So I could go through and I could take off the majority of these. If there are certain metals I don't want it to search for, or if I wanted to add those back, I could just use the plus button right here. Control, that's what you're going to use for controlling the volume going into your headphones or something like that. So we can switch all the way back. Now, once you get to a certain point, you can just hit the enter button. Now this one right here, this is just going to help you narrow down exactly what it is that you're looking for. So in a nutshell, guys, this is a really nice little metal detector. Like I said, I wanted to just do a quick setup here to show you guys how everything works. So let's take this outside and see if we can find something. All right, guys, so I'm out in my backyard and I have the metal detector on. Now, there's probably not a lot of metal out here in my backyard, but if it does come across something based on my settings. Now, remember, this one does have that IP65 rating, so you can get out in, wooded areas where there's water. You don't have to worry about that, but it feels very comfortable in the hand. Let me, as you guys see there, it finds something right here. Very lightly, but it does find something. Let's go over to some place where we know there's some metal. And as you guys see, it finds this, no problem. So yeah, you're just gonna have to set your sensitivity based on what it is you want to find or what you're seeking. I think this will be a lot of fun for, adults as well as kids. So definitely check this out. All right, let's go back inside and I'll give you guys my final thoughts. All right, guys, I'm back in the studio and I have the metal detector with me. As you guys can see, it does have that really nice little arm support. Here is your main box where you're going to do all of your readings or see all of your different readings. Right here on the top, this thing is very lightweight. Was very easy to assemble. I love the fact that it has an IP rating, so that means it can get wet. You don't have to worry about that. So in a nutshell, guys, I think this is an excellent device. This is an excellent starter metal detector for those who are interested in metal detecting. This could be exactly what you're looking for. All right, guys, it's been your boy Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I will catch you all in the next video. Get out there and find something amazing. Peace. I am out.